Hello. Hi. Come on in. Welcome to my apartment. You guys are always asking me what life looks like post-grad, and today I want to give you a teensy little peek into what my post-grad life has looked like 1 year out. This is my New York City studio apartment. Okay, let's start this off. So you guys just came in from the front entrance. This is not a big space at all, but you know, I always called this apartment like my dorm 2.0 because it's like a studio, right? A lot like a dorm, but I just happen to have a kitchen and some extra walls. But yeah, this is how I have it set up. This apartment actually went viral a year ago on TikTok. I think the video has like 3.5 million views. I love to call this space my girl den. I've tried to make it my own, and I'm sure you guys can see this is very much me. Have my couch here, my bed, my desk. This is like the opposite angle. When I film my videos, I'm usually sitting at my desk, so this is the view, obviously in reverse. I feel like for how small this apartment is, I do have a good enough like closet space. So in this closet, I have like clothes on my hanger, I have some of my luggage, I have like a shelf where I have some clothes hanging up. I decided not to get a dresser just because I knew I wasn't going to stay in this apartment. So I will be moving out in the next couple of days, which is why I'm doing this tour. This closet is a cloak closet, very traditional. Let's take a quick look at the bathroom. Quick little look. I love this bathroom so much. I knew I was going to sign the lease to this apartment when it could do this. I just thought that was so impressive. I was like, oh, the selfies. Okay. I also have a full shower, which is very rare for New York. No Indian washer and dryer, but I do have washer and dryer in the building. And then this is my kitchen space, where I do my cooking, my coffee, my meal prep, my juicing. That's the apartment. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and got a closer inside scoop of what life could look like for you when you guys are done with college, school, internships, etc. Bye.